Okay guys, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Christine. I am a professional makeup artist and skincare expert. I've been doing makeup and skin for over 16 years now, and I have enjoyed every minute of it. So in this video, I want to teach you guys tips and tricks that I've learned throughout my whole journey with both things, skin and makeup. I wanted to do something different with this video. I wanted it to be more of like a training session or makeup lesson rather than a tutorial, if you know what I mean. I'm going to show you guys every item I will be using in each one before I show you guys how to apply. This is going to be the end result, so don't be afraid. Makeup is a process. Okay, so when it came to my concealer, when it came to my brows, all I used was, and I'll go ahead and show you guys, so if you need to pause the video, you can go ahead and do that. So for my brows, these are all the items that I used. I used my foundation, I used my eyebrow pencil that turns to powder, I use a concealer, which is the Infallible in the color caramel, because it's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I use a concealer brush. These are all the items that I use for my brow. Now you can go ahead and watch that video and follow along as I do my brow video. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you comb the brows upwards just to really get the shape of them. Take this and you want to fill in. You always want to start on the bottom first, and then when you get to the center part, that's when you want to go above just to create the shape that you would like. And then bring down. And always comb out the product so it looks like it's even and it looks like it's your natural brows. And now I'm going above just to literally trace the shape of brow that I want. And I'm really creating right here the shape of my brow. And I love the product that I'm using right now, which is a powdery pencil, and the reason for that is because it looks like a more natural brow than if you use a regular pencil. The powdery pencil turns to powder when it hits your brow, and that's why I love it. And I don't know why Lancome doesn't sell it anymore. And don't worry, if you mess up anything, you can always go back and fix it. It is makeup, don't worry. We can always reapply. This is just going to make it look like it's literally groomed and perfect. Okay, I'm going to reapply right here. This part right here, I'm going to reapply it just like that. And so now I'm going in with a lighter concealer, and I always put it on the back of my hand. It kind of warms the product up first so it blends out really well. And of course I'm wiping off the color that I just applied above the brow so they don't mix. And I'm going directly below the brow. Just like that. Now this is where you want to take your pencil or brush and go in the ball of the nose and see where that brow needs to begin, which will be right here. So I'm going to take some of the product and I will start flickering up. Stay in the same line. Okay. Now from the corner of the nose, you want to go across the pupil. That's where it needs to be at the highest arch, which it is. And then the side of the nose across the corner of the eyes. And this is where the tail end needs to be, which it is. So you can just draw a little bit more. And if you do that every time, your brows will perfectly frame your face. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and I'll come back and show you guys. That's all for this specific makeup lesson. So if there is something that you would like to learn, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you felt like you learned something and you want me to keep doing these videos, let me know in the comment section as well. And like I said, guys, if you try any of these techniques that I share with you guys and somebody compliments you, remember, tell them Christine from Belize taught you how. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.